There's a type of man nobody feels worried about. He has a job, he pays his bills, his life looks fine. He's comfortable, and that's exactly why he stays financially stuck. Comfort doesn't feel like a trap. It feels like proof you made it through the hard part. A stable income, predictable routines, just enough money to stop stressing. Nothing feels urgent, and that's the danger. Comfort quietly changes how you think. You stop asking, "What could my life become?" and start asking, "How do I make sure I don't lose this?" That shift happens slowly, but once it happens, progress stalls. Because comfort trains your brain to protect stability, not build leverage. So risk starts to feel irresponsible. New paths feel unnecessary, and ambition gets reframed as impatience. Not because you're weak, but because your nervous system has adapted to predictability. Another thing comfort does is distort time. You feel like you have plenty of it. Next year feels flexible. Later feels safe. So nothing needs to happen now. But progress doesn't disappear suddenly. It erodes quietly. One postponed decision. One not yet. 1 year where nothing really changes. Until you look up and realize you've been standing in the same place for a long time. Then there's identity. Comfort gives you a role. The reliable one. The sensible one. The guy who doesn't take stupid risks. And once that identity forms, your brain will protect it, even if it costs you growth. You won't pursue opportunities that threaten how you see yourself. So you don't fail loudly. You stagnate politely. Here's the system nobody explains. Modern life doesn't trap men with force. It traps them with comfort. Enough income to survive. Enough fear to stay cautious. Enough distraction to stay calm. You're not struggling enough to panic. Not progressing enough to feel proud, just comfortable. This isn't about quitting your job, or chasing discomfort for its own sake, or doing something reckless. It starts with awareness, because once you see comfort for what it really is, not safety, but a glass box, you stop confusing peace with progress. And that's the moment a man either stays comfortable forever, or finally steps forward.